The Certified Ethical Hacking Course. Description. Learn most essentials of CAH. A complete beginner's guide to learn CAH. Requirements. Basic IT knowledge. No Linux, programming or hacking knowledge required. Practical web design and development. 7 courses in 1. Description. Master in practical web design and development using Photoshop, HTML5, CSS3 and more. Requirements. No prior knowledge required. Ultimate job search course. Get hired. Description. Job hunting is a skill. We'll teach you. Learn to stack the deck in your favor as you search for your next job. Requirements. Ability to use basic computer programs, such as Canva, Word. Willingness to engage with the content and turn yourself into an expert job seeker. Microsoft Power BI, latest 2020 beginner to expert modules. Description. Transform, analyze and visualize data with Microsoft Power BI desktop, hands-on demos, projects and one-on-one Power BI support. Requirements. Download the Power BI desktop app which is available free from Microsoft. This course is designed for PC, Windows users, currently not available for Mac. This is a Microsoft Power BI training for beginners to advance. Advanced CSS3 Practical Course 2020. Description. An updated Advanced CSS3 guide. Learn to develop websites. Requirements. A free text editor. How to create your first online course on Udemy, unofficial. Description. How to create your first online course to earn passive income in this post-lockdown world, unofficial. Requirements. Passion to share and teach. Desire to start teaching on Udemy. React Beginners Bootcamp. Description. Comprehensive Angular course to teach you some of the essential basics from scratch. Practical videos added. Requirements. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Introduction to Internet of Things, IoT, using Arduino. Description. Learn how to implement the communication between smartphones and also to control various home appliances wirelessly. Requirements. Pre-installed Arduino programming environment. Complete Arduino kit. Personal finance, personal budgeting for beginners. Description. An online series to improve financial literacy and financial management, a personal budget course for beginners. Requirements. Nothing is required. This is a beginner course. Dropshipping Bootcamp Bundle, complete arbitrage mastercourse. Description. Ultimate guide to dropshipping using retail arbitrage and with Jet, Etsy, Amazon and Shopify. Requirements. Open an account on eBay, Etsy, Amazon, Jet and Alibaba. Accounting for beginners. Financial accounting made easy. Description. A part-time online financial accounting course for beginners taught in an easy-to-follow manner. Requirements. English. Basic math. Personal finance. Get out from debt easily. Description. Improve financial literacy and financial management. The first step of credit repair. Get out of debt. Requirements. Curious mind that wants to learn something new. Basics of flat design illustrations in Canva. Description. Creating basic flat design illustrations in Canva for social media posts and video thumbnails. Requirements. No prior knowledge or experience is required. Thirst for the knowledge to create flat design layouts. This course is taught in English.